Hello everyone, let me tell you how to install the Cup Coffee software. In our USB flash disk, there are several fields. The first one is a user manual, and it's a driver. It's a software. It tells you how to use the Wi-Fi modes. And this is some installation videos. And this one is a driven file. First, let's install the Driven8. It has two modes, the 32 and all the 64. You can choose one. If your computer is a 64-bit, you install this mode. Click this one and wait some moment. The computer maybe it runs slow. And now let's install the software. This one. We give you this is for the 1-cup machine, and this is the 4-cup machine. Remember to install this one. Click the next step. Accept. And you can choose where you want to install this software. Install. And finish. You can see here. Open it, run this software. Here you can size for example, I will show you a picture. You can this you can is about the size. It's delete, and you can move it. If you want to add some words, you can click here. Tap the words you want to print. For example, and you can choose the color of the words, like a yellow one or a red one. And move it. This is delete. This one is save, and this one is print. This is about the parameter settings, and this one and this one, these two settings you can't adjust. You can adjust these three ones. This number represent for the this distance is the circle of is the center of the cup to the edge. You can adjust it, and this is circle, or you can print as a quadrant. 有你们这些叔叔阿姨的熏。天天听着我们讲战术。这个是在空间编码里面会找到你的打印机，然后你 You can find here you can find it in the control panel to find your print machine. And now let's show you double click this.
哎，我那个热水也装走好了，那个倒了2000多块。
This picture is used to tap the full cup. You can choose the pictures you want to print, like this one, this one, this one, and adjust it, and then click the file and save it. You can save it like, for example, 11, and choose the format of a JPEG file. Save. Click OK. Close Photoshop. Close it. Close it. Copy this file and open the capsule again. Open the file location, and you can find the sieve. Click Paste. You can copy the 11 JPEG file in these files and open the capsule. The picture will show in this place. Now you can see there are two pictures. And here, set the distance. Click yes. Now we can print it. Okay, hello. Now we will tell you how to use it for the first time. When you firstly use the machine, remember you should cut off the two formed plastics that are used to stable the carriage. And be careful, don't cut the belt. And now show you this is the main power button. One means on and O means off. And the main power plug, the USB line plug. This right button is used to control the print machine.
Printer switch.
If you turn on the red one, there is a yellow button in front of the machine. First, when you use this machine, you should put the carriage to the rear and put the carriers in the middle of the slideway and install the cartridge. The left one is the color ink cartridge and the right one is the black color ink cartridge. This is the black one. And after you inject the black ink, it will be like this one. Color left, black right. Now turn on 1 and press the red button. Look, the yellow button is lit and it flash. Now the machine turns into the self-test. I just show you. Now turn on. Look, the yellow light. The machine is going in a self-test procedure. The carrier first turn into right and then it will back to left and stay there. If the yellow light is on, it's always on. It means the two cartridges is okay. They work. Now we use this present for the cake and put the cake on the tree. The yellow button is to control the tree. If you press it, the tree will go up. And here, there is a sensor. Look, if there is a carriage in front of the sensor, the tree will stop. Remember, don't put some transparency bottle on the tree. And now, let's use the computer to control it. Plug in the USB line. Contact the computer and the machine. See, this icon is light. It means it's online. If we fail to contact them, it turns fake. It's offline. Remember, our machine represents the copy 2. And open the capsule software. Look, copy 2. And we can print a rectangle or a circle thing. This is the parameter number. You should set the right one. And choose a picture. This is a size button. You can use this to control the picture size. And before you print, you should put the look. If you click print, the software will ask you to check the tree if you hold up it. Now, click the yellow button and the tree will go up in the right station. And now you can click yes.
Now it's printing.
Now the machine is working, it's printing. It's printing pictures on the cake. Okay, finish. Remember, every time when you finish using the cafe print machine, you should do something with the cartridge. In case of the nozzle go clog, you should use at least one time a day, or you can use a print head cleaning tissues. Use the white tissues to wipe the print nozzles. Keep them white. Hello, we will introduce you some spare parts of the cafe machine.
For backup.
For backup.
This one.
Look, here is a sensor. You can test it if the right light don't light. It means there's some error of it. You can change it.
This one.
This one is a spare one of that sensor. And
this one.
This sensor is used to.
This is a part for this.
This is a part for the part for this. You can hear some click sounds. If there's some trouble, you can replace it. And we've told you, here is also a sensor. If the light doesn't work, you should change it. This one.
That's for backup.
That's for backup. And when you put on some cake or a cup on the tree, the height will be on between 8 to 16 centimeters. And don't put some transparent one on it. Hello, there is another print software I will show you. It's focus divination divination software. You can use it to set up to print as a divination entertainment. Open this setup file. You can choose the language you want to install. For example, you can choose English. Yes. Click Next. Read it and choose Accept. Click Next. You can choose where you want to install it. Click Next. Install. Now wait. Okay, finish. Run this software. This icon represents settings. Look. This is a random model, and this is a sequential mode. And here, these 5 parameters, this 2 one you can't adjust, and set this 2 as default. Here, choose the print port. Here, OK.
Now how to change the picture here?
And if you want to change the pictures, now I will show you how to change it. Open the file location. This is, look, the one PNG file has the same picture of the the top one, top line. Now we can change the picture. Open it and delete the words. You can add some new words you want to set. For example, you can tap lab and save it. And replace the old file. Attention, you must choose the PNG mode. Replace this one and save it. Click OK. OK. Before you change the picture, you should close this software. This way you can successfully replace the old file.
Yes, success.
Look, we success to change it. And now let's check it. It's changed.
Now, 如果我点击 File 就会打印这些文件中的其中一个，对名义里面的其中一个。
你把它先拿回去。So now if I click lab, I will print one of the pictures in this file. The pic file 1.
这些名都要改成 only number, only digital, only number.
Remember the file's name. You must be the number 1, 2, 3, 4, like this 1 to 100.
Okay, that's the way how to change the picture.
Okay, that's how we can change the pictures you want to print.
然后就是什么
Now set it. After choose the
and
printer
click and save the setting.
and save the setting.
And now click the right button.
Now click the red light. The
one machine is ready to print. Click live, it will print.
one machine is ready to print.
Click live,
Click left, it will print. Like this.
okay, it's okay. Stop.
It's okay, that's all. Cap's head is higher than 16 centimeters. We can adjust the holder head. Look, take off the holders and loosen the screws, and you can adjust the height up and down. So this way you can print in a high cap.